boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. We have a great song with Mumford and Sons, and they released a new album, Prize Fighter. And the first track, they do a collab with Stapleton, and that song is called Hair. Alright, so a good song, playable on guitar, of course. And before we move on forward with the song tutorial, I want to highlight this guitar. It's from Acoustic Guitar, and yes, I have a great deal for you guys. If you want to have one of these, then go check out their webpage, Anchor Guitars, and use my coupon code 10% off with Gruvgear Guitar 10. A great guitar, and you have variations and different sizes and all that good stuff, and it's affordable. Very good price with that 10% off. So go and check them out. Now let's go back to this tutorial. Capo on third, absolute best scenario for us, and with that we have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chords. Let's start with the chords and learn them. We're gonna start with G first, third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. We have the C G. Okay, so that goes third E, third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. D, and that will be open D, second G, third B, and second E. E minor, open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, open E, and finally we have the A minor. Open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. So let's learn the strumming pattern here, and we have two variations here in this, so two halves. You can use them a little bit freely. I'm gonna give you both versions, and what I do here in this tutorial and in this song, if I would perform it, I would stay strictly pretty much to play part 1 and part 2 and alternate that for each and every chord. Okay, so the first part, if you grab the G chord, which is the first chord by the way, you're gonna play like this. So down, down, and then down, up. So a little bit delay there, down, up. So down, 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 up. And then you shift chord, in this case to the C G, and play part 2, which is down, 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 up, down, up. So it's down, down, starting the same way as first part, but then down, up, down, up. So together it's down, 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 up, and then down, 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 up, down, up. Okay? And that will be a total of 1 round. So to start this song, we have this main pattern that goes G, part 1, C, G, part 2. Then back to G, part 1, and then D, part 2. Let's play that for a round, and it goes like this. And that makes up for like 70-80% of the song. But then we have chords, and it starts at 36 seconds in. And you're gonna continue with this G, C, G, G, and D. But then at 3 timestamps, like 49 seconds in the chorus, and then later on in 1 minute and 40 seconds in, and then the third and final time at 2 minutes and 50 seconds in, you're gonna play E minor, part 1, then C, G, part 2, G, part 1, and D, part 2. So the only difference there is that E minor will replace the first G. And 1 round of that sounds like this. You're gonna play 2 rounds of that, and the second round you stay with that last D for 2 times. You're gonna play that part 2, down, 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 up, and then again down, 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 up. The last D in the second round, and this new corporation round, E minor, C, G, D. That is how you play that added thing in the chorus. Okay, so at 3 timestamps. Then we also need to throw in a bridge part that starts about 1 minute and 54 seconds in. Can you hold all my secrets? That is where we are in the lyrics. So what you're gonna play here is to stay on that A minor for 1 full round. That means both part 1 and part 2. Then you're going to play G, part 1, and D, part 2. Okay? You're going to play that for 3 rounds. So A minor part 1, A minor 1 full round, G part 1, and D part 2. 3 full rounds. And then in the 4th round, you're going to play A minor, 2 full string rounds. Okay? 2 full string rounds. And then C, G, 1 full round plus 1 down, and the pause. And that pause takes us to the main pattern with the G, C, G, G, and D. So I thought I could play this bridge part for you. I'm going to play the last round, round number 3, and then play the 4th round, which is a little bit different there. So let's go. And then back to main. Alright guys, so there you have it, a great song, a great collab with Stapleton and Mumford & Sons. Hair is the title of that song. And if you have more wishes from this album, then leave me a comment here. Perhaps I will do it a little bit fast and easy before Wednesday. Otherwise, we have Wish Wednesdays. You're free to wish for your songs, whatever you want to learn for yourself or from somebody else you like to perform for. Then we're gonna highlight that on Wednesdays. Okay, so feel free to leave me a comment and interact with me. I appreciate that and all your support. Till next time, guys, play tuned.